Pay tax. So this is the part I am going to show you today. How can you pay direct tax to the government after your tax return? If you have something to pay to the government, then you can pay it using this link. So first of all, let me show you my uh, e-challan. So this challan is ITNS 280 form that has been given by my advocate general. So this is detailed payments. So income taxes, this is the that much income tax I need to pay to government, and also the education is 104. So total 2710 I need to pay. Now what I am doing, so I am just going to this website, clicking on e-pay tax, continue. Now challan number ITNS 280, click on proceed. Okay, so now let me go to the form again. So you can see that here in challan it's told that income tax for other companies need to select. So this is for the corporation tax, and this is for the other company for individuals. So 0021. Another thing is that for the self assessment tax, so you need to fill it up this 300. So you need to select this 300, and rest of the information will be as usual. So I'm going there, so selecting this one and selecting 300. So net banking, so I'll do it using my net banking. So I'm just simply select my bank. You, for your case, whatever the bank you have, you just select it. Now permanent account number, either you can just simply copy paste from here, because PAN number is very much important. If you incorrectly given this, it will result in incorrect result. Assessment year, so it will be 2020, 21, 22. So make sure the assessment year will be always 1 year ahead on the of the financial year. Like if you want to do the financial year for 2020, 21, then assessment will always be 21, 22. Then give your address, something like whatever the address you are living. Okay, so I'm just simply show you. For me it is in West Bengal. Okay, pin code, whatever I am just giving based upon my address. So, better you can just copy it from here, so that you don't have any mistake from there. So just email ID and mobile number. I'm just giving my mobile number, and this QU7NJ. This time just click on proceed. Now please confirm before you're proceeding. Let's say if you have put some information wrong, then you can correct it here using the edit options. Okay, now simply you just agree that and just click on submit the bank. So for my case I already have submitted, so that I don't want to show you, because it will be result in duplicate error. So for me it is already submitted, so just click on submit the bank, and then follow the next instruction, and then click on next, and it will ask you to pay the money through you using your bank, and you can just simply pay that. After you make your payment, so this is something like there is one counterfoil will be generated. That's I'm just showing you one sample counterfoil. So this is the counterfoil, it has been generated for me. So this is my pan and your head, this is head to 0021 300, and this is the tax that I have paid. So that's it, you have already paid it. So you just need to pay to send it to your refunder, who will generate the who will actually do the refund on behalf of you. Either, or if you are doing your return by your own, then you need to use it wherever it is applicable. So for my case I have just sent and mail it to my person who is actually doing the tax return on behalf of me. So that's it. So I just have paid it to the government, and then after 2 3 days that person will do the IT return on behalf of me. So that's it only. So thanks, happy learning.